Hello, my CMA intern and final students. Hope your revision is going on in full swing and you're all set. I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor, and here for a quick heart to heart conversation just before your exams to guide you quickly through those last minute tips जिसको हम कहीं ना कहीं ignore कर देते हैं, and it's going to be immensely helpful to ace your exams. This particular video I have divided into three parts. It's going to be a super quick video. Don't worry on that part. Before, during, and after exams. तो किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है? सबसे पहले when I talk about before exams, you don't have to go for any heavy revision. Okay, just quickly go through some difficult topics and most importantly review the thresholds or the time limits which are usually confusing. यहाँ पे 100 crores था, यहाँ पे 300 crores है, यहाँ पे it was 30 days, यहाँ पे it was 60 days. So just go through those so that you get that clarity and it stays in your short term memory तो exam तो clear हो जाए, है ना? Secondly, eat light and non-oily food. Keep yourself hydrated but don't drink too much of water. ठीक है, उसके consequences सबको पता है, right? Wear comfortable clothes. Reach to the venue at least 15 minutes early, but जब हम जल्दी पहुंच जाते हैं, we tend to engage ourselves in discussions which are not at all welcoming, right? So avoid that peer discussion. Just remain silent. You can practice mindfulness, so just sit back and deep breathing. You don't need to flip through the pages right till the exam. Okay. Now, keep your box ready along with the admit card, water bottle, 3-4 black pens properly, calculator. Even in law exam you should carry a calculator. ठीक है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें ready रखो just the day before exam, not on the day of exam. पहले से हमने तैयार करके we are relaxed, right? Now, when you get your exam paper, write your roll number carefully. Very important, double check it and quickly scan the paper once. I would suggest that you should go for MCQs first. Keep doing the MCQs as quickly as possible, but if you have doubt in any MCQ, then don't mark it, skip it, and एक छोटा सा dot या कुछ भी लगा दो that this is the one which I have not done, right? Thereafter, you have to go for your best answer first. I have said it n number of times. You don't get a second chance to make that first impression. Okay. All how do you have to write? I have shared that writing practice video with you. All parts of the question has to be together. Don't spend too much time on just one answer. Decide करो जल्दी से. If you feel that I don't know the topic well, यार ये तो आता ही नहीं था, इसमें तो इतना ही पता है, just quickly wrap it up and move on, right? But if you knew the topic and you're not able to recall, try with a focused mind. Still not able to recall, then leave some space and move to the next question. Okay, don't look at the watch every now and then. अरे यार 5 मिनट कितना बचा. No, just maintain speed right from the beginning so that you are not missing out on your paper, and you can check time maybe after every 2 questions, full-fledged 2 questions के, then you can check the time that whether I am in line or not, right? Every new answer on a new page, write the answers in points, not in long paragraphs. There should be proper spacing between the paragraphs so that even with a scan, the examiner can find out what he's looking for, because I've already told you that in writing practice, examiner की requirement क्या होती है, that you have to provide, right? So don't forget to conclude answers. बहुत बार conclusion miss हो जाता है. Give simple but legal explanation and not your opinions. Okay. Don't overwrite. Overwriting नहीं करनी है, काटा पीटी. Keep the paper neat. Strike it off if you have written something wrong. It's okay. You write it again or strike it and then write it again. Okay. Write question number in the left margin as well as the center, and don't panic if the question paper is too difficult. एक बार को ऐसे लगेगा अरे I don't know any of the question, but just select one question at a time and write whatever you know with a calm mind. 100% paper attempt हो जाएगा, and you have to attempt 100% paper. There are many students who feel that okay, I will attempt more than 100% and then best 5 will be evaluated. No, first 5 are only evaluated. Okay, so trust your preparation, choose wisely and just go for it. The moment you are out of exam hall, mentally close the law chapter. Avoid negativity, avoid that comparison. Don't discuss answer with your friends, mentors, and don't look for solution videos. इसमें क्या था, उसमें क्या था. No. You have more battles to fight. This is just the beginning. So how you start is very important to decide how you will end this journey. So just reset your confidence no matter how good or bad the paper was. Don't carry the weight of your paper onto the next one. Okay. Once you come home, clear that study space, express gratitude, and go for the next one. देखो एग्जाम डे इज ना, इट्स नॉट अबाउट परफेक्शन. यू कैन नेवर अचीव परफेक्शन कि हाँ सब कुछ बहुत परफेक्ट है. यूल ऑलवेज हैव रिग्रेट्स, यूल ऑलवेज हैव दैट, बट इट्स अ डे टू सेलिब्रेट योर एफर्ट्स. It's all about showing courage and calm, even under that pressure. Okay, so take charge of your mind in those 3 hours. Don't let nervousness or anxiety take over. खूब कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ खूब अच्छे से लिखो, एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू बी अनबीटेबल. ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कल करके दिखाना है. सेट अ टारगेट. बताओ यार कितना लेके आना है. 60 प्लस, 70 प्लस, 80 प्लस, व्हाट्स योर टारगेट, राइट? एंड गो फॉर इट. आई बिलीव इन यू, एंड माई बेस्ट विशेस टू ईच वन ऑफ यू. मे लक ऑल्सो फेवर यू. जो आपने पढ़ा है वही एग्जाम में आए, एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू रॉक. विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.